Good morning to the principal, all teachers, staff members and dear students. Today is 23rd of January 2024 and it is Tuesday. Today's assembly conducted by LKG B section. Let's begin our assembly with the prayer song. Let's join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer song. For the pledge, I am please stretch your hands.
India is my country. All lesson. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Which are very hardest. I shall always strive to be proud of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and orphans, guidance, respect, care, and everyone because it to my country. I will give but they will say India will be
Now we have a poem recited by Vedi.
ഞാനൊന്നും അറിഞ്ഞില്ല പാവമൊന്നും ചെയ്തില്ല ഞാനുറങ്ങുകയായിരുന്നു നിലാവ് കാണുകയായിരുന്നു കാടു കണ്ടും കാട്ടിരുട്ടിൽ കൈക്കിയമ്പു പറിച്ചു നിന്നു കാടിനയെ മനം കൊടുത്തു
Eben will tell the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
I hope you all have started your day with a positive attitude, full of energy and smile. A small positive thought can change our whole day, and starting your day with positive thoughts and discipline can change your life. Children, be grateful for whatever you have. If you express your gratitude about your life, you will feel more optimistic and happier about your life. Respect yourself, your parents, your teachers, and everyone in your surroundings. Be a kind person and a very organized student. My dear students, remember one thing, you all are very lucky for getting this type of learning environment where millions of children do not get the chance to do to the school. You all come to school every day with clean clothes, complete school material, and with tasty lunch boxes. We should be honored that all our instructors are qualified enough and are the best teachers to help you learn something every day. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.